Okay, hello guys and welcome back to IDE Station channel. Today we finish the preparation of the whole environment by installing our IDE, that stands for Integrated Development Environment, for coding our scripts and developing in Python. And this program is called pycharm, which is another JetBrains application. And actually, JetBrains is the name of the development company for many different awesome IDEs and programming tools that will be so useful for you in the future. And now let's go and download it first by opening the browser and type pycharm download, then hit enter. As you can see here, the JetBrains official website. Then click on it, go to the download community edition, which is free and very enough for our use and what I'm gonna cover in this course. Now start the download process. I'll skip that because I downloaded it before. Then go to the download folder and start the installation process. Hit next, and here you can change the installing destination folder or partition depending on your desk. Maybe you need more size available than other partitions, so simply switch to it from here. Okay, then hit next, then check create desktop shortcut, and also check add the open folder feature as project, and then check the py to create associations with that Python extension, and finally check add the bin folder that is created after installing to the path, which is the Windows environment variable, as we had discussed in our previous video. What is path variables? You can go to the previous video and check it out. And then hit next, then click install. Just wait for the installation to be completed, then choose I will reboot later or reboot now, as you wish. Then click finish. Go and open the pycharm. Then you may be asked to confirm or agree on the agreement's policies of JetBrains privacy. So you simply can confirm it, then hit OK if it appears for you, but it didn't appear for me because I did it before. Then I uninstalled the program to show you how to install it, so it doesn't appear for me. Then here choose don't send data. Then as you can see, the application is loading, and here is the interface. Now click on create new project. Here you can change the name like that. Also make sure that the base interpreter is set to Python 3. Then also here you can change the destination of the project. Okay. Then hit create, and your project will be created with a simple script that you can run to check if it works properly or not. Or you can erase all of those and type print hello IDE station or IDE students. Then go to the above menu bar, choose run, or use the shortcut keys shift plus F10, or you can right click here in the text editor of the IDE and hit run, or you can run directly from this shortcut icon. All of those are different available options for running the script. Okay, I think all is done now. But before we end our video, I'll show you a tool from JetBrains that will make it easier for you to install any IDE or tool on this website silently by just go to the website, look for toolbox and download it. Then go to the download folder and install it directly like that. Then click finish, and it will run instantly. As you can see, you can simply click on install for any IDE or program you want, made by JetBrains only. Yeah, it's like a specific store for their products, and also you can uninstall or update easily. As you can see, now I think we're done and we're about to start our premium journey. Just stay tuned. Thank you, and see you later in my upcoming videos. Goodbye.